How to download and install Genshin Impact on PC. To install Genshin Impact on PC, follow these steps. Firstly, open any web browser. After opening your web browser, go to the search bar and type in Genshin Impact Download. Now search for it, and on the result page, you will see links like this. There is a download link from the official Genshin Impact game. Select the download option that is right below the option Genshin Impact. Click on download. It will take some time to load the page. After loading, you will land to the official website of Genshin Impact. Here, if you want to log in to your account, you can do so. To log in, select the login option at the top right corner. But you can download the game even without logging in. Select the download option at the top right corner. Now, as you can see that this game is available for PS5, PS4, PC Download, Apple Store, Google Play and Epic Store. We are downloading this for PC, so simply click on PC Download. Now you can select the name of the file, then click on Save. Shortly, the downloading process will begin. If you look at the top right corner, you will see the downloading icon. If you click on the downloading option, you will see the file. After the file has been downloaded, click on the file and install the game to your device. So this is how you can download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.